morning! I feel like I'm the first one awake at this campground. I think these lakes really have something calming to them. So breakfast is done. We are heading to Wire Creek climbing area now. .43 in, and this is where we parked, down there. And so far we actually stayed on the track, which is absolutely phenomenal. Already a bit sketchy here with that big backpack. Nah, just kidding. We did go wrong. Not wrong on the path, but wrong on the crack. So we need to go over there. Now I also actually understand what the pipe is for. Collecting more water on the other side to increase the efficiency of this power station. I mean, now it seems obvious, but at the start it was not clear to me, okay? Oh, that is a nice boulder. Oh, that is a nice boulder. Okay, so this is the route, the Wire Creek route from the double cone that we've decided not to do. So we will now have a little bit of a brunch, lunch sort of thing. Then head to the city, get some supplies, and then the next stop is Stewart Island. That's the plan, at least. Let's go to Invercargill first, and then let's see how we go. So we are rocking essentially just a bunch of leftovers. We got very hard bread, boiled eggs that have been boiled ages ago. seem fine, so promising, I guess. Alright, so we're going to the shop, get some groceries, and we've got a parcel as well. The new charger, which is supposed to output 65 watts. One nectarine, the other one I already ate. And now it's time to drive back to the campsite. Okay, when I saw these glass recycling cans, I thought this is my chance. Finally. But now off to the campsite. Right, we have arrived. So we can now get some editing done and then maybe cook some dinner, but I'll probably just have an apple or something. I'm pretty tired.